In this project, we're going to be exploring the shapes of states or countries. Today, we're going to be doing a contour drawing of the state or country. Third graders are going to be working with the shape of Michigan. And fourth graders, you can pick between Michigan or another state or even another country. I'll leave that up to you guys. A contour drawing is a drawing that is just an outline. So I have no details inside, no texture, it's just the outline. And I know that state and country borders can be a little bit confusing because they're really jagged because of the geography and how they drew the state lines. But with contour drawing, the key is to focus on a little bit at a time. So if you think of this whole shape, it's kind of intimidating, a little bit scary. But if you just think of this side of the state, just going in, out. This part right here, it's just two bumps. Up here, it's just two mountains connecting to a bigger mountain and a little hook, and so forth. So just focus on little bits at a time and try and complete the contour drawing of Michigan for third graders and any state or country for fourth graders. If you're doing Michigan, then I have two videos that show how to draw the Michigan Lower Peninsula and Upper Peninsula by another teacher. So I will link that in this week's assignment. Please watch that video to complete a contour drawing of Michigan. If you choose to do another country or a state, then look up a picture online and really carefully look at the contour of the shape that you're going to be drawing. Focus little bit by little bit to draw that shape. When you're finished drawing the shape of your state or country, then I would like to think about your composition. Composition is how you use that paper. So if you drew a little bit smaller and you want to trim the paper, you could. If your drawing is a little bit off center and you want it to be centered, you could trim parts of it. Drawings don't always have to be perfectly in the center, but you want to think about the balance. Is there too much going on in one area and not a lot in the other? So for mine, I think I'm going to trim a little bit on the left side of the paper. So I'm going to just fold it where I want to cut it. And then I can take my pair of scissors and carefully cut that part off. Now it looks a little bit more balanced because there's not too much empty space on this side. I drew mine with Sharpie markers so that you guys can see well, but if you want to just draw with pencil, that is okay as well. You don't have to color it because we're going to actually be turning this into a collage. We'll talk about collage next week. Please upload your finished contour drawing to Artsonia or Canvas.